Another flyer design. Okay, so I'll click on this INSHOT app. It's a business. It is designed for a female tailor that deals with sewing of female clothes. So I'll click on photo, then I'll click on new, then blank. So this is the surface you're going to get. Okay, so I will not set any size. I'll just go ahead straight to the design. So I'll click on background. So this time around, I'm not using color, I'm using gradients. So these are the gradient color. So I'll click on this one. Done. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is I'll click on my text. So once I click on I'll write the name of the person that owns the business, Princess Pami. So I'll click on this font. I'll change it to daydreaming. Then I'll click on this dash line. I'll reduce this space in between the letters. I'll click on this color platelet label. I'll clean it. Then I'll click on border and then increase it to 1. No, sorry, increase it to 30. The border color is white, as you can see. So let's just give it 35. Done. I'll click on it and up. I'll reduce it. No, add a little. Okay, so this is it. So I'll click on this text again and write stitches. So I'll click on this my font and give it monotone. Don't mind me, I like these fonts. I'll reduce it. I'll add so this is it. Then I'll click on this my text again. Then I'll click on this my 1 2 3. I'll click on this dash line. Now the color, this color that you are seeing is the color of the background I'm using. So I'll reduce this. Then I'll click on this color platelet. Now see. Okay, let's click on font first. Then I'll choose my this thing blackout 2am, right? So I'll click on this color platelet. Now scroll through it. This is the color, the background color that I choose is the one here. So I'll click on it. Now I'll drag it and bring it here. Then I'll click on this icon that looks like pencil. I'll click on edit, and then I'll go back to this my color platelet. Then the border, I'll reduce this to 1. I just need 1. Yeah, done. So I will still increase it a little. I'll bring it up, now down. I'll click on this. I will edit it again. I'll reduce it. Done. So I will add, reduce a little, reduce it, and then bring it down a little up. Now done. Okay, so I'll click on this again. I'll copy it. I'll bring it down. Then I'll click on edit. I'll edit it. Then I'll add the dashes. I'll click on done. So I'll draw it up. I'll use this angle to reduce it. I'll bring it here. So I'll reduce it again a little and bring it down. So I'll click on this icon that look like pencil. I'll draw it up. Click on this icon. Edit, done. Click on this icon, copy it and bring it down up a little. So this one now I'll bring it here. So I will still reduce it. Okay, I'll bring it down like this. Now so I will still touch it. It's too, I want it to be at the middle. Okay, so I'll click on my page. Now the next thing I will do is I'll click on this sticker. Now the image I want to use, I'll click on this icon. I've already cut the background and it has been saved here, so I'll click on it. It's because I've used it before, so no need. But for you, you go back to your folder, you know where to search the picture, and then bring it out, cut out, remove the background so that I'll be able to put it down here. Okay, so I'll click now this box down, the last box here, I'll click on it. So now the next thing I'll do is I'll click on this sticker. Now the pictures that I want to use, I've already saved them in my folder. I've already used them many, so I'll just click on it like this one. Okay, let me delete it. So like this one now, I'll click on it. Then I'll click on this icon pencil. I'll click on edit. I'll click on this first lady here. Then reduce it to 30. Done. So I'll reduce it and bring it here. But as for you that are designing it, you might not see the pictures. You have to go to your phone gallery. Normally the way you bring out pictures and paste, that is how you do it. Once you go to your phone gallery and you choose this cutout, you choose the first box there. So that is how to get the picture. So but mine is saved under my stickers because I've used it. So I'll still go for another picture. Okay, let's go with this. Then I'll click on this edit. I'll give it a white outline. So I'll reduce it to 30. Good. So I'll reduce it again so that it will fit into this box. Reduce, add, and then move it up. Then I'll click on this picture here. Then I'll click on edit, white, and reduce it to 30. Done. So I'll now reduce it, bring it, reduce it, bring it down. So done. So I'm done with the pictures I want to use. So I'll close the aspect now. So this one I will still have to reduce it a little, reduce it, reduce it a little. Okay, so I'll click on this first picture here. I will shift it a little, move it a little. Move it a little. And then this picture, move to a little. Then this one at the middle, I shift it a little. Is it easy to design? Oh, it's easy to design. The thing is just have to make sure it's set so that it will look beautiful more. draw it down, up. Okay, so now the next thing I will do is I'll click on text, and then let me write the services. I'll click on this dot, the points, then dash space, and then I will say skirt and blouse, blouse, anyone, and then dots, and then I will say long gown. Okay, long fitted gown, shirts, fitted gown, buba and flay gown. Material gowns. So I'll click on this my fonts, and then let's give it Julius Sandswan. Yeah, so color platelet, give it white. Border, we don't need border, so I'll click on that cycle. Then I'll click on this dash dash, and then this dash line before B, I'll click on it again so that it will not be centralized. Good, so it's done. So I'll reduce it so that it will fit in this box. The write up will fit in this box. So I'll click on this edit. I'll come to this, so that I'll this third one that has dash, I'll click on it. I'll give it like 10. That is spacing between the sentences, not the letters now. So I'll bring it down. Good. So I'll click on this box size down. So the next thing I'll do is I'll click on text, and I'll write our services confirm. So I'll click on this color platelet label. The third one is give it a white color. You will not see it, so just click on this text and then scroll through, get your background color, which is this confirm, and you click on done. So I'll click on this as services. I'll reduce it and take it up here. So I'll click on this box down below. Good. So the next thing I will do is now I'll click on this our services. I'll click on it and say copy. I will copy it and bring it down here. Then I'll click on edit. I'll clean it. I'll write shakwatu. Shakwatu. Mina. Niger State. So I'll click on this thing. Fonts. Let's change the font. Let's look for a font. Let's give it squad 1. Okay. Oh, Calistoga. Okay, let's try Calistoga and see. Then I'll click on this edit and copy it. Move it here and click it. I'll click on this edit. I'll write the phone number. Let's assume the phone number is just the phone number of the person is one you're writing. So I'll click on edit. Click on this my dash line. This capital letter A and small letter A that is down. I'll draw desired. I'll add it to. I'll give it spacing. Let's say 15. So I'll click on, now this black space at the top before export, I'll put my hand there to touch it. Why you need to be careful, if you mistakenly just put your hand on your design, you will start all over again. So I will still click on this number and bring it down small. Then this address, I'll bring it down small. Down. I'll click on this black space before export. Now the next thing I want to do is, let's go to pip. Scroll through your toolbar. You see this pip, click on it. Then I will get a dress here. Let's go with this dress here. So it appeared there, don't touch it too. Once it appear, don't touch. Now just scroll through your your toolbar. You see this mask, click on this mask. Now you have 0 with slash. Now this square with this, now coming to this square, you see this one that has 0 inside it, click on it. This is what you see. Now this less down by the right, draw it closer to this thing is okay. Now this one at the top, to draw it down a little is okay. Now this circle are down with ash color, draw it down a little, draw it is okay. So you click on done. So now you come to this blend, and blend, you come to overlay, then you reduce it to 30. Let's say 30. The Lord is good. Now you click on done. So now you just hold the image and take it up. Now you see this angle that is down, you draw it so that you widen the image. Then you shift it down. Okay. You bring it down again. You take it up, you widen it a little, then you bring it down like this. Am I communicating? Yeah, so that is all. So now you scroll through, you see this pip. Now there is, before pip we have this box that is there with one V inside. You click on it, then you are back now to your normal page. So you are done with your design. So you click on export to save your design. So you are done with designing your flyer and flyer, as simple as it was. So if